Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix screen sharing with audio that is not working in the Discord, right? So right now you can see I'm in the Discord here and how you can fix it. So basically if I try to do a screen share, right? So if I click on the screen share, whenever I try to share screen, right, the audio is not coming. So how you can fix it? So basically you have to do one thing. You have to go to the user setting which is on bottom and just click on this setting icon here, and you have to scroll through the down, right, and here you have to go to the register games. And some people, if are not getting the register games option, this only works in Discord application which you have installed in your PC or laptop, right? This will not work in you will not able to see this option in web browser. So you have to do one thing. Let me just remove it. Okay, so you have to click on the edit option, and here if you're using a Google Chrome, just search here Google Chrome. If you're using a Brave browser, then use the Brave browser, any kind of browser, right? So let's say if I'm using a Brave browser here, and click on the add game, and after that you have to do on this, right, and just close this. And now you will get an option of Brave right here. So you have to do one thing. You have to click on stream Brave, and here you will able to select your audio, right, and you can even select the quality. And if you have Nitro, then you can just screen share in HD quality frames and all that, and you can just click on go live, and in this way you can just share your screen. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video.